Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Candra Rahmawati. My name C040200027. My study program Power Plant Engineering. My majority Teknik Electro and my campus Politeknik Negeri Banjarmasin. Content A. Self-introduction. Full name, nickname, hometown, address, date of birth, age, height and weight, appearance, personality, status, religions, hobby or hobbies, formal school and majority, profession, quotes. B. Family introduction, big or small family, father's name and profession, mother's name and profession, sibling. Welcome to my self-introduction. My full name is Candra Rahmawati. You can call me Tias. I'm from Banjarbaru. Address, I live on Jalan Galau, Gang Pelita 4, nomor 40, Banjarbaru. Date of birth, I was born on December 11th, 2001 in Banjarbaru. Age, I'm 17 years old. My height is 160 and my weight is 45. Appearance, my eyes is big, my nose is flat, my hair is long and straight, I have brown skin, my face is oval. Personality, active, emotional, and sensitive. Status, I'm single. Religion, I'm Muslim. And then my hobby is reading novel. I was graduated from vocational high school to Banjarbaru and my majority was electrical installation. I am a college student of Politeknik Negeri Banjarmasin on Electro majority and my study program is Power Plant Engineering. My course finish everything that has started. Welcome to my family introduction. I have small family. My father's name is Sunario, he is a trader. My mother's name is Siti Nurlailato Hasana. She is a housewife, she is a great mother. Sibling, I have two young sisters. My first young sister is called Zahra Afifa, she is 14 years old. And my second young sister is Alia Atika. She is 6 years old.